The next question is a theta question here. The length and width of a rectangle. So you have to draw the figure to get the answer, right? So let's draw the figure here. So this is the length and width of a rectangle. I'm taking it this way. Hope it's a rectangle, looking like a rectangle. So the length is 60 and the width is A. So they're also given us what is length and width. Now the goats are tied at two opposite corners. The length of the rope which is used is equal to the width of the rectangle. And they are saying that the area which cannot be grazed is the minimum most. So I will take a figure like this. This is how the grazing is. So this part is the ungrazed area. This is given to you as 175. Now, you might be wondering, why am I not taking an overlapping area? Because it's very clearly mentioned that only grazed area inside the rectangle and there is no common area, which means there is no overlap of the areas by the two goats. So if that is the case, then my total area of the rectangle is going to be 60A. From this, I have to take out 1/4 and 1/4 of a circle, which basically means half a circle I have to take out. So that is 22 by 7 pi. R, radius is A. Into 1/2, because I need only half the area. This remaining is 175. That is the equation for you. Using this equation, you have to find your A. Unfortunately, there are no options, so you have to solve the equation. So this becomes 11 times, so 6 sevens are 420A minus 11A square is 175 into 7. So don't simplify this, leave it aside, I'll tell you why. Take everything to the right hand side, you will be getting 11A square minus 420A plus 175 into 7 equal to 0. So now it's a quadratic equation. You have to solve for the quadratic. You can do it in both ways, factorization approach or the direct formula. I will do it in the factorization approach because I want to split this and 11 in such a way that the sum will add up to 420. So 175. So if you look at 175 into 7 into 11, I can write this as 35 into 5 into 7 into 11. So 35 into 11 into 35. This is 385 plus 35 gives you 420. So I can write this as 11A square minus 385A minus 35A plus 175 into 7 equal to 0. So I can take 11A common. So this becomes A minus 11 goes 11 35 times minus 35. If I take out common, I'll get A minus 35 equal to 0. So A can be 35 or A can be 35 by 11. Remember, they said that A is an integer, so 35 by 11 is not possible. Only 35 is possible. So this actually is an easy question, but I will put it under the moderate level simply because there is so much of working required. So it is not difficult. It is not easy. Concept is easy, but the solution part is a bit tedious because you require to solve an unnecessarily lengthy quadratic equation. But yes, that's part and parcel of your exam. So let's go ahead and see how what happened in the next question. So that's 35.